Hi everybody, this is Madonna from Mad Bees Quilt and Sew, and I am on day number 5. I am on day number 5 of our daily deals, and I have to say I am thrilled with this one. I have been searching for a smaller rotating mat for a while, and I finally found one that I like. So this is an Omni Grid Small. It is really cool because it just has little finger grips to be able to turn it. It does also have like a foam on the back, and that foam keeps the base stagnant while the rest of it turns really easy. So it's not, I think it turns so much better than the old ones that they had. This is perfect for half square triangles, for all those little pieces, and it'll totally fit into your bag to take to class. Okay, this is the Omni Grid, and what do they actually call it? 8-inch cutting mat. They run $28. Pretty cool. And then I've got in our deal today, I have got the blade. This is the replacement blade, and those are $6.25. And then the Quilter Select ruler. So the daily deal for today is the Omni Grid mat, the Quilter Select ruler, the Quilter Select rotary cutting blade replacement, and the deal price today is $41. If you were to buy each one separately, you're saving about $11. So that's awesome. So look at this, okay? That is cool. And I'll tell you one thing that I really like about it. Once I use it for a second, to be able to pick it up, you almost feel it like suction off the table. It really hangs on there nicely. So join us each day during the 12 days of Christmas, and we will be able to help you get a great deal. So how do I get that? You're going to shoot us an email at madbeesorders@gmail.com. We will get that into your Christmas bag, and it'll be ready about the 20th of December. You'll be able to come in, pick it up, and off you go to Christmas. And what surprises you'll have. Everybody remember, this is the place you want to be. I will see you in a couple more days for another one. Bye now.